Yes, this particular video is to now give you guys the latest update on what is going on relating to special protection. Everybody can bear witness that 95% of questuras here in Italy are not converting special protection again. And as I talk to now like this, most of the judges have now come to now ask a question. Why are they not converting special protection for those who have the document already? Even those people won't get the document before the law come. So I go state everything for here. This video they much interesting. Most especially the questura of Parma. Now them they use as a case study relating to this issue. Check. Person go to work for the Italian territory with 2 years document. Now this person can demonstrate say in as far say at the work, I need to convert my document. Questura go still they say no. And if una can't check them, now the tax when people they pay all this police. Now, judges across Italy have now stated that they have to, by automatically and by force, accept the conversion of special protection for foreigners who are living across Italy. Because this one are the most popular documents when people get. May not be like say they talk too much. When I go watch this video very well. At the end part of it, then I go still give more analyzation. Then you yourself go keep your comments and your opinion. What you think about what these judges don't come out now so called the court chain for all these questuras. Listen attentively. The police headquarters should take charge of the conversion of residence permits. He said the judge, they explain, establishes clearly that the police headquarters cannot refuse to accept the application for conversion of a residence permit from special cases. When they talk about special cases, meaning documents like protezione speciale, casi speciale, cura mediche, ex humanitarian, just all those 2 years documents. Now what did they talk about now? So he said requires the Parma police headquarters to receive and formalize the request for conversion of applicants' residence permit. He said it is the decision of the ordinance with which the court of Bologna recognized a young Gambian in possession of a resident permit for special cases the right to file a request for conversion of his documents for work purposes. So wetin happen wey be like say the issue come cast now so most especially this questura of Parma, many people don't call me well say yes, that Parma so that Parma say they don't agree they convert documents again to the extent wey be like say one Gambian guy when go convert it own, they still say no, you have to forward the case to court. Now the court of Bologna, they asked the questura of Parma say why they not they convert special protection again for people. Now let's go a little bit forward and see what they are now stating. It is the first sentence of this type in Parma, and it concerns at the same time the recognition of a right and the funding of an incorrect practice implemented by public offices. So these questuras, they go just they use their mind, they do their things. Even when be like say people when get the document before the law come in, they use the thing now so they affect everybody. Listen attentively. He said here, the story which concluded with the sentence begins when the migrant asks to convert his residence permit for special cases issued before the latest changes by the Milanese government on December 5th, 2023. He goes to the post office village for fingerprints. It is at that moment that he is informed that the law has changed and that he is not entitled to conversion. So this particular Gambian guy now so he already do the practical, just as they always they tell me for phone. Reaching that place to convert the document, they tell and say the law don't change. This one are the most things when they do like this. After all the money you don't spend to send the document, on the day of your fingerprints, they will tell you come Kambu story. And this guy on also be say he already get the document before the law go into force. That is why the court of Bologna have to not charge the questura of Parma say why they go refuse to convert the documents. Now listen to this part. He said, at the same time, three things happen. He is forced to sign a paper written in Italian and without the possibility of translation. This same Gambian guy now was forced to sign a paper which there was no translator to not understand what that paper is signifying. So that one now even offense. Let's go a little bit forward. He said here, all the documents relating to the case were confiscated and no document was issued to him. Later, thanks to the lawyer Alberto Valenti, it was discovered that document he had signed was a renunciation of conviction that the practical implemented was not foreseen by law. So even the document when this particular Gambian person signed, not to renounce say yes, you no wan convert the document again. So this one go make una dey attentive. Those of them when they sign, you go question, they say sign this one, sign this one. Before you sign anything for Italy, take your time to have understand that particular paper. Because here in a country like say they based on law. Either you sign it by mistake or you sign it by open eye. Law no say yes, this one a mistake. Once it is being stated, it has been stated. So this one are waiting they happen, and the thing they vex me. People go get 2 years document. They go say me they go convert. They go say no, they no go fit convert time for them. Okay, what do you want make the person do? This thing don't usually be like say everybody to come outside. They go protest, talk about this thing well. Because now you cannot tell me somebody will have special protection, Kazi specially, ex humanitarian document, Kura Medicaid, many different types of documents for them to convert it to not demonstrate that living in the country is because they are working, paying tax. 100% of the questura they say no. So that is why the court of Bologna have not come to intervene. So now waiting they happen like this. So waiting I go advise anybody where they outside there, irrespective of questura where you they use, if they not really make you convert your documents, most especially those of you when get the documents already before the law come into force, you are advised to take a legal expert, which is now known as lawyer, to now state to them that you get the document before the law come. It is very much important. So Article 7, we read them the time when they make that law. Article 7 states that those who have the document before the law came into force can still convert the document. But many questions now they use and they do resist, they do what in their mind. If you just go there and say no. And the worst part they say, if they just tell you say no, finish, the person don't feel they do anything again. It is very, very bad. So that is just it. I make I tell them, I say these people sometimes their matter they somehow. So any document where you hold, try to hold it tight. If you go convert your own, they not agree. Take a legal expert, which is a lawyer, then it will help you out. So that is my advice for people out there. Now, before going out, tap send app where you go feel you send money go Nigeria direct. Using my promo code Prince TV with capital letter, like this, you get extra €5. Join money when you day.